everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to send money from Skrill to Cryptowallet. Yes, Skrill allows you to send money from your Skrill fiat balance directly to an external cryptocurrency wallet. And here's how you can do it. The first step you need to take is to log into your Skrill account on the Skrill website. Yes, the website. The feature is not currently available on the mobile app. So next, you're going to go to the withdraw section of your account after logging in, of course. Then select your crypto wallet as the withdrawal method. Choose the fiat currency balance you want to withdraw from. And once you've done that, select the cryptocurrency you want to send and the processing network of the recipient's wallet. Then enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Click continue. Enter the recipient's crypto wallet address and indicate if it's a custodian or non-custodian wallet. Of course, for custodian wallets like those on exchanges, you might see an additional menu to select the wallet or exchange name and enter a designation tag or memo if required. Once you're through with this, click on continue. Do not forget to review the transaction summary carefully, including the cryptocurrency amount, recipient address, and any applicable fees. Then once you're through with this, confirm your withdrawal. You may be asked to enter your 6-digit Skrill account PIN for verification. Now, here are some important considerations. You can only withdraw from your Skrill fiat current balance, like euros or USD, to an external crypto wallet. If your funds are in cryptocurrency within Skrill, you will need to sell it for a fiat currency first via the crypto trade page, which is this page. Next, once a blockchain transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed, so double check the recipient's crypto wallet address carefully before confirming. Your Skrill account needs to be fully verified for you to perform a crypto withdrawal. The Skrill supports withdrawals to various cryptocurrency on their respective networks. You see the list of available options in the withdrawal section. Some of the supported cryptocurrency include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others on their main network. This feature might not be available in all countries, so when you visit the withdrawal section of your Skrill account, see if Cryptowallet is an option for you. Skrill charges a fee for withdrawing to a crypto wallet. The exact fee will be displayed on the transaction summary screen before you confirm. Additionally, network fee, which is paid to crypto miners or validators, may be applied and deducted from the withdrawal amount. Blockchain transactions typically take between 15 and 60 minutes to appear in the recipient's crypto wallet. In rare cases, it might take up to 24 hours.